We're going to walk you through the process of creating a password on Instagram. Whether you're setting up a new account or updating your password for better security, this step-by-step guide will help you. Let's get started and make sure your Instagram account is secure and easy to access. Before we jump into the steps, let's talk briefly about why having a strong Instagram password is crucial. Your Instagram password is the first line of defense against hackers. A strong password helps prevent unauthorized access to your account. Instagram often stores personal data, such as photos, private messages, and contact info, so it's important to keep that information safe. With social media hacking on the rise, using a strong and unique password can help keep your account secure and prevent data breaches. Now that we understand the importance, let's dive into the process of creating or changing your Instagram password. When you create your password on Instagram, make sure the password is complex and strong by including a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Your password should be at least 8 characters long. Avoid using common passwords like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or password. It's best to mix upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols for a stronger password. Now, if you already have an Instagram account and want to change or reset your password, here's how you can do it. Open the Instagram app and log into your account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. In the top right corner of your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines to open your settings. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy to enter your account settings. Now tap on Account Center. Tap on Password and Security. Now tap on Change Password. Tap on the list of accounts you want to change the password. You'll be asked to enter your current password first, the one you use to log in. Next, you can enter a new password of your choice. Make sure it's strong and follows the guidelines we mentioned earlier. Once you've entered your new password and confirmed it, tap Change Password. Instagram will update your password, and you'll now use this new password for future logins. If you've forgotten your current password and can't log into Instagram, don't worry. You can reset it easily. Here are some essential tips for keeping your Instagram account secure. Use a unique password. Avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. A unique password for Instagram ensures that even if another account is compromised, your Instagram account remains safe. Enable two-factor authentication. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication in your Instagram settings. This adds an additional layer of protection by requiring a code sent to your phone in addition to your password. Change your password regularly. Periodically updating your password helps keep your account safe from hackers. Use a password manager. If you find it hard to remember complex passwords, use a password manager to store them securely. Sometimes you might face issues while creating or changing your password. Here are some quick solutions. Can't receive the reset. Email. Check your spam or junk folder if you don't receive the reset email. If the problem persists, make sure the email you're entering is the one linked to your Instagram account. Weak password. Warning. If Instagram tells you your password is too weak, try adding more characters or mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Unable to change. Password. Ensure your internet connection is stable and that you're entering your current password correctly. If issues continue, try updating the app to the latest version. And that's it. Now you know how to create, change, or reset your Instagram password in a few easy steps. Keeping your account secure is critical, and by following these steps, you can ensure your Instagram stays safe from unwanted access. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.